Listen to me. So there's this term that's going around in the internet called quiet quitting. Apparently, millennials are quietly quitting at their jobs. Lack of engagement has been around for hundreds of years. It's not new. But I want to talk to everyone who wants to participate in this revolution to quietly quit. Life is a hologram. Whatever you do little shows up big. If you're quietly quitting at your job, are you quietly quitting at your life? Are you quietly quitting in your marriage, in your relationship, in your workout routines, in your habits? Life is a hologram. Whatever you do little shows up big in your life. Stop practicing quitting. Why don't you start practicing quietly queening? Be a queen. Show up like a queen wherever you go. When I was at Bloomberg Business News, that was my first job out of college, I was getting paid $27,000. And I showed up at 7 a.m. and I left at 7 p.m. Why? Because I wanted to do a good job, not for my employer. I wanted to do a good job for myself. When I was at the Getty, same thing. I was getting paid $36,000 at the Getty. I was like the first person to show up early. And that practice led me to my path today as a CEO of multiple companies. Stop practicing quitting. Start practicing showing up with enthusiasm, being empowering, being inspiring, being kind, being wise. Don't practice quitting. It's not a good look. It's not. You think that you're hurting your employer. You're not. You're not hurting me. I'm speaking to my daughters. I'm speaking to Mali and Kailani and my niece Mila. Don't quietly quit on your life. If you do that, it'll make a huge difference in your life. You're doing just great.